shat herself.
I farted.
But fucking hell, the smell is so good. Oh.
It really wafted her. Oh. Right, I'm going to do a little review, guys.
What, review of the fart? Give it a sip.
You're over exaggerating.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Piper's jalapeno. Jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
Yeah, that's that right. And dill crisps. Bit tangy, bit pickly.
Very tangy, yeah. Right, I'm gonna get the crisps and bits out. Let's see.
Me and Daisy have a spontaneous.
Don't mind me. Oh, for Christ! Right. This is why we need to clean.
Okay. Me and Daisy have a spontaneous night going tonight.
Yeah, we do.
And what flavour is this?
Sweet and salty. My floor, on the other hand, is something else.
Alfie.
Oh, actually.
Oh, not
you
Alfie,
take the
Aussie.
bin out.
Yeah. Oh, I love taking a bin
Aussie's
out.
back
Right,
tomorrow.
I'll come back.
I've got my cream cake. It's all going down here.
We're more contained now.
Yeah. Right, so. When was the last time we did one of these? Was it the fun fair?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The fun. Well, shit's gone down. I don't have pink hair anymore.
Neither do I. I mean, mine's blue at the back.
That is so weird. That was in April.
Oh, when we watch this back, we'll probably have come back from Reading and be up sad, like, oh,
Oh my
it's
god.
all
Yeah.
done.
So
We're going to bed next week.
we're all really excited about Reading. This time next week we'll be halfway through. Isn't that mad?
We would have seen Post Malone.
Wow. That,
Oh, when's Panic at the Disco?
I think they're tonight. Yeah. I just can't wait. I need to buy a chair.
Oh shit, yeah, me. I think I have one. I forgot about that.
This is the thing, if I go to a massive supermarket I'll be fine, but the closest massive supermarket...
Aldi.
Where?
Oh, my mum got a chair in Aldi last year, I think. Or she told me there were chairs.
If we
in
go
Aldi.
to Kingston, we can have it there. Future us will know if I got a chair in Aldi or not. Oh my god.
I think I could have a spare chair. I'll ask my mum. My mum got us some crackers and crisps today for Reading.
Oh nice.
So tell me if you need anything.
I'll show you the granny trolley I'm taking that I'll load up eventually. Well, if you take that, then we can just put it in the trolley when I get there.
Yeah. Also, I don't think I'm seeing Aisha until Reading, and I've got her birthday present, and I've got a big box of Malvern, so it's up to her if she wants to share them or not. But hi Aisha, she's discussing eating your present.
I have no idea what we for birthday. But we'll discuss that on camera. But yeah, and I messaged Hannah Deacon. I would quite like to meet up with her.
Yeah, me too.
And also, you know how Alyssa said she's leaving Sunday?
Yeah, how come she's leaving?
I don't know, but if we have to dump our stuff somewhere, I think I might chat up Hannah.
Oh, leaving in the tent.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
You just said someone bring it back in a nice piece.
Or not.
I'd say Lily will bring it back
Yeah.
because they live near each other, but we'll just help her set it up and everything.
Yeah. Oh, these are really nice.
I don't
Yeah.
mind bringing it back, but. Have you got your duffel bag yet?
I think I'm just going to use Freddie's rugby bag. But do you need one?
I've got one.
You got one?
I got one on eBay for about £5.
Did you?
It was about this big.
Wow. Yeah, I'm just going to use Freddie's rugby bag. My dad said if I trash it, I die. It's like personalised and shit. But
No, we won't. I was a bit worried. Oh no, I keep worrying about this and I have to keep telling myself don't worry. Because the tent's quite big and it's got a middle compartment, doesn't it? So we'll just dump all our stuff in that bit.
yeah.
That's fine then. Because I keep thinking, should I bring a spare tent for us to dump all our stuff in, but that
In
tent.
all honesty, I think someone's probably going to be sleeping in that bit anyway. Because
Cool.
if the tent is like mine, which I think it is, because I have a 6-man tent,
Yeah.
you can only sleep like 2 people in bedrooms.
Okay. Yeah,
Like-
that's true.
Like, should we pause this?
Yeah. Give in, you don't give up. I'm not letting go. This time I'm running into another fight. Whoa.
Oh my god. It really runs out.
This is going to be horrible.
Ugh.
There's so much vodka in it.
First one's always the worst.
Yeah. This is the one that I like. How can I?
Yeah, I thought you would.
How can I come
That's so strong. Wait, this looks fast.
This is water. I know, you put yours on the thing.
Right, let's just chase that down.
Hold on, I need to take the sector out.
The pinch nose. Cheers. Oh. Not fun. No, you put me off completely.
Have to do it. I just did mine too quick, but. Oh, I'm getting shivers. How can I compete? Not doing that again.
No.
I'm crying.
You actually feel it in your arms. It's so
Yeah,
weird.
and my throat is burning.
Oh my god.
I'm also crying.
Yeah.
I'm crying.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Thank you for witnessing that with us.